friends, we are discussing about the problems of India and the solutions. So in that we have discussed some of the problems and how to solve this one problems. These are the matters we have discussed. So in this session we are discussing next another one point. This is one of the important problems, social problems still we are facing in India. This much of education we got, we are developed, this much of economically we are developed, means still so in our society one of the major problems we are facing, that is status of women. Not only in our society, we can see in our family also. Any decisions or any matters or anything, we are giving more importance about only for men. We all are knowing this one. Our freedom also, our equality also, we are giving more. If we are comparing women and men, who is getting more? Men only getting the more. So in this class we are discussing what was the reasons why only men they got all the rights, why women still there in society. When you are comparing the, sorry, when you are discussing about the status, why the women now also still there in down. So this also we are discussing. And next one, what was the remedious measures took by government to solve the status of women. So these are the matters we are discussing in this session. Okay, first of all we want to know, nowadays women, she accepted the challenge and she done the work. So on this base now also we can see in all the sector, not only any one particular sector, we can see in present in all the sector in who is giving more contribution, women's only. What men categories people are men's, what they said women did not do this like that, like this work only for men's, this like this work only for women's, that like when they decided, and they group also, they did group this workful for women's, this workful for men. But she took the challenge and she done. Now present in we can see in all the sectors, in all the sector she did the achievements. We can see examples, so much of examples. She done so much of contributions. We can see in all the sector. We cannot identify any one sector or they given contribution or any one field. No, that like none. Nowadays we can see, for example, not only now present, we can see in post-independent period also. There are some women, they did fight against British. That was how they did fight, like a man. How kings they done battles against enemies, that like only queens also they battled against British in freedom struggle time. We can see some of the important names here they given. For example, Jhansi Rani Lakshmi Bai, next one Kittur Rani Chennamma, Annie Besant, Kasturiba Gandhi, next one Savitri Bai Phule, Sarojini Naidu. These are the important women. They struggled. They also given so much of contribution about our freedom struggle time. So these like we cannot see now only women they giving contribution. No, post-independent period also some of the women they contributed to our nation. The purpose of freedom. So now present we also can see in present she did lot of achievements. We can see so many of women, they did so much of achievements. They are doing all the sector. They show what was the strength of women. They already showed. So we cannot find out any one sector. We can see here they given one by one. For example, you can see in medical field, teaching field. Next one they give engineering, pilot, astronaut, police or military. In all the sector also, she took the challenge, that one. We also can done the works. So on this base, women's they accepted challenge and they contributed lot of in our national economy also. We can see the military force also now is one of the important battalion that only for girls. We can see astronauts, so many of girls, women, they got the education and become astronauts and pilots, engineers. doctors, nurse. So what we thought that only for these are the work for only for men, but now present in we can see in all the sectors women's they are giving so much of contribution. But still some of the women's in our society they are in backward. Women's they did this much of achievements, they given so much of contribution to our national economy, our nation, for the development of nation. They given this much of contribution, but some of the women's still now they are facing some of the problems in society. They're not getting that much of status because of some of the important reasons we can find out. One of the important reason here they given, that is poverty. This is one of the important reason, because of the poverty. And second one, they given social customs. Now was still some of the religious or some of the caste group peoples they believing should not go women's outside any work. Means they are thinking that in our caste or in our religion saying that women's should not go outside or they should not do work. And some of the cultures, our tradition, this is also one of the important reason we are not, means women's they are not sending for work. And next one, these like only they are given, not only social conditions or the poverty, we can see another one problem also, that is illiteracy. Women still some of the place in the rural area, which place is now also still not developed, as some of the developed area also we can see women's they are not getting the education. We can see in slum areas, in developed city we can see the slum areas, in that place also women's they are not getting the education. Girls they are not going for the school. Not only in that particular place, we can see in village also. In village also, peoples or family who are there in head of the family, they are also not supporting to give education for girls. So this is also one of the important reason. Women's they are not getting their status. And next one they given. So these like of problems we can say social customs, poverty and illiteracy. These are the important reasons for women still they are facing some of the problems. In society they did not get their power or their equality. So in the based on this based the problems, our government they started some of the reformation, some of the measurement to become or to develop status of women. So here they given one of the important achievement of government, that one they established it by one of the important department, that is they saying by Women's and Child Development Department. Women's and Child Development Department. This is major aim is to develop women's education and status. In this department, Women's and Child Development Department's main work, main aim, that is want to develop women's education and status. So in this purpose for only our government established it by Women's and Child Development Department. And not only this one, nowadays we can see in the based on this one department based, there are so much of plannings or programs implemented by our government. So here they given one by one. One is they given health and education for women. They are providing how to care their health, especially women's. So these are but also they are giving education for women and education. Nowadays compulsory education and free education for girls. And not only this one, there are some other measurements also took by our government to develop women or to develop status of women. And next we can see in that like only, not only this one, and why they become low level in our status, because of they facing so much of problems already I told. So on this way, not only this one, to develop their particular women's status, they prohibited by some of the practice. For example, one is child marriage. Because of in that base or in the way women they are not getting the status, so they stop or they abolished by child marriage. And not only this one, dowry system, what we implemented dowry system, that also they prohibited, they implemented by act about the dowry. And not only this one, and government implemented by compulsory and free education for girls. Compulsory and free education for girls. So these like of measurements took by our government. And our Karnataka government also, they also took some of the measurements. So we can see our government, our Karnataka government established by Stree Shakti organization. So in that based government, they providing loans for women and they can implement their self business. And they based on the self business, they can improve their status. So on this based our government, our Karnataka government implemented by Stree Shakti organization. This is one of the self-help groups. SHG, we are saying SHG, self-help groups, means in that based in self-help groups, that only they are saying that one meaning is self-help group, means for them, they want to do help. Because women, they are not getting any freedom or any equality or any rights in our society. So they want to get all the rights or all the facility. They want to involve in society and they want to observe the society and they want to solve. So on this based, our government established by Stree Shakti organization. And based on Stree Shakti organization, now we can see on the based on the Stree Shakti, nowadays we can see these like of Stree Shakti, different types of organization or private institutions, they established by self-help groups because to improve a women's status. And they working on the based on self-help groups. We can see so many of other institutions, they are also providing loans and they are giving awareness to women how to live or how to involve the business, especially in village areas. So these like of measurement took by our Karnataka government. And not only this one, another rights also they given to women, that is in local bodies. In the local level government, our government, they reserve the seat for women. They reserve seat for women in local bodies. We can see how many types of local bodies is there in our country. There are 3 types. One is Gram Panchayati, second Jilla Panchayati, third one is Taluk Panchayati. In the 3 local government also, our government, they reserved some of the seat for women. So this is also one of the important contribution. And not only this one, we can see nowadays government, they given in administrative system in also some of the job opportunity they reserve for women. So these are the measurement took by our state government and central government also. And next on this based we can see, already told in beginning only I already told, there are so many of women, they given contributions in all the sector. Some of them already I told the name in post independent, who are they given contributions? Sarojini Naidu, Jhansi Rani Lakshmibai. We are knowing so many of Jyoti Bapule or Kasturiba. So these like of peoples we can see after the independent, they utilize the government programs and they become developed. And politically sector, in political sector, we can see they did done so much of contribution. We can see some of the important women also. Here they given one by one name. First one they given Indira Gandhi. She is the first women Prime Minister of India. And not only this one, we can say another one, Pratibha Devi Singh Patil or Pratibha Patil. She is the first president of India. So this and all what they showing? This and all showing nowadays our society become change. We are giving more contribution to women. We are giving more contribution to women and we are giving equality and freedom to women. So on this way, nowadays we can see so many of ministers, ambassadors, businessmen. And not only this one, we can see teachers, chief ministers. We can see some of the women, they become chief minister, ministers or foreign ambassadors or businessmen. So these are the works. There are some of the members, they got the opportunity and they achieved. So on this way, still now people, especially women, they are facing the problems. But if they implemented or if they got opportunity correctly or correct situation, they can solve the problems of status of women. And not only this one, and we also want to give more freedom to women. Like men, how much of freedom he got, that much of freedom if we are given to women, they also achieving or they also contributing like a men. So these are the main points about status of women. Okay, thank you.